Hello guys, hello from Las Vegas. Officially we have arrived 4 days ago and my body clock is all over the place, but it wasn't that bad. This will be our new home. We live in a place called Henderson. It's like 20 to 30 minutes drive to the strip. When I say strip, it's not like taking off your clothes, okay? It's also called Las Vegas Boulevard. It's like the stretch of road where all those casinos, all the big actions, all those things that make people come to Las Vegas, it's all there. Okay, today we don't have food, so we're going to our nearest supermarket, and it's called Albertson, something like that. It's like 8 in the morning. A lot of actually friends ask me if it's hot, because I'm from Dubai. It's hot there. It's desert. Las Vegas is also desert. In here it is hot, but there's no humidity, okay? So it's actually very comfortable walking in the morning, so we will take advantage of that. It's 8 in the morning. We just woke up early, so it's 8, and now we're going to the supermarket and get some milk and some eggs and some vegetables. And also today is the 4th of July, and I'm very excited because this will be my first experience for 4th of July in America, and I've heard here in Henderson there will be a big fireworks later. So yeah, we're all looking forward, guys. So first, let's go to the supermarket. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo, mga 10 or 15 minutes walk lang siya. We can't see this in Dubai, because they are hidden. Here it's very open. Look at that. It's very exciting.
So one of these, right?
Is this organic or?
It's specified here.
I'd rather have these. There's not much fat compared to that, and it's like $5.79.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello!
Hello!
Go on then.
Hi guys, so this is our first 4th of July experience, so we're getting ready to get our dinner and then watch some fireworks, right babe?
To celebrate Independence Day in the United
Yes.
States.
Can they hear us? They can't hear us, can they?
I doubt it. Hi guys, hello.
Hello.
Cheers.